Fun fact, statins are one of the most prescribed drugs on Earth, which is crazy because most people taking them have no idea how they work. Here's a simple version. Your liver is basically a cholesterol factory, and right now, it's working overtime. Inside that factory is an enzyme called HMG-CoA reductase. That's a fancy way of saying the on switch. Statins will walk in and say, yeah, we're going to turn that down. So the liver starts making less cholesterol. Then the liver panics a little. It goes, wait, where'd all the cholesterol go? So it pulls LDL instead, the bad cholesterol, straight out of your blood. So two wins: less cholesterol made and less junk floating around. Less LDL means less plaque clogging your arteries, better blood flow, and a lower chance of heart attacks and strokes. That's how statins work. No magic, just chemistry and your liver getting a little bit humbled. Follow for more SNS medicine made simple.